Children, welcome to online class. Children, today in this class I am going to teach you English grammar, lesson 9, nouns, singular and plural. First we will see what is a singular noun and what is a plural noun. Children, singular means one. Singular means one, that is single. And plural means many, or you can say more than one. See, singular. When a noun refers to only one thing or person, it is said to be singular in number. Okay. When a noun is said to be one in number, it is said to be singular in number. And what is plural? When a noun refers to more than one thing or person of the same kind, it is said to be plural in number. Okay. Children, all of you know what is noun very well. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Okay. A noun can be singular or plural. Noun जो है वो singular भी हो सकते हैं और वो plural भी हो सकते हैं. Okay. Now there are some rules to make singular noun in plural form that we will see. Children, here I am writing singular. Singular means one. Okay, singular means one. And plural means many, or you can say more than one. Okay. Now children, we generally add s to any noun to make it in plural form. If there is a singular noun, generally we add s to its spelling and we make it plural. See here, there are some rules. Rule number 1 is, for some nouns we add s to the singular form. Okay. For example, table. Table is a singular noun. To make it plural, we will add s. T-A-B-L-E-S, tables. We will add s to make it plural. The next example is cat. To make it from singular to plural form, to change it from singular to plural form, we will add s at the end of the spelling and we will make it plural. See here, cats. C-A-T-S, cats. The next example is bird. B-I-R-D, bird. And to make it plural, we will add s at the end of the spelling. So, bird will become birds. B-I-R-D-S, bird. So, here what we have done, we have added s at the end of the spelling. Table, tables. Cat, cats. Bird, birds. So, this concept is very clear to all of you. You all know it very well. It is very simple to add at the end of the spelling, to add s at the end of the spelling and make it in plural form. Now, we will see the next rule. Rule number 2 is, whenever a spelling ends with s, double s, sh, ch or x, we simply add es at the end of the spelling. See here, rule number 2 is, to form the plural of nouns ending in sh, ch, s, double s or x, we add es at the end. You have to keep in mind these 5 words. See here, what are these? S, double s, sh, ch and x. These 5 you have to keep in mind. If the spelling ends with these 5, then only you will add es at the end of the spelling. For example, class. Here the spelling of class ends with double s. So what we will do here to make it plural? We will add es. C-L-A-S-S-E-S and it will become classes. Okay. bus. Here again the spelling of bus ends with s. So what we will do here? Again we will add es at the end of the spelling because this spelling ends with s. So the plural will be buses, buses. Okay. The next spelling I will give here is bush. bush, bush. Again in the spelling of bush, this spelling ends with sh. Sure. Okay. It ends with sh. So to make it plural, we will add here es. Now it will become bushes, bushes. What it will become? It will become bushes. Now we will see the next example. Bunch. bunch, bunch. Now here the spelling of bunch is bunch, bunch. Again this spelling ends with ch. So what we will do here? We will add s? No, we will add es because the spelling is ending with ch. Okay, so we will write here bunches, bunches. Okay. The next example I will give match, match, match. Again the spelling ends with ch. So what we will add here? S? No, that is wrong. We will add here es at the end. So it will become matches, matches, matches. Now here we have seen the example of s. Here double s, here sh is here, and ch I have given you two examples. Now we will see the spelling ending with x. So here I will take box. The spelling of box is ending with x. So we will simply add es at the end of the spelling and it will become boxes. boxes, boxes. Remember children, you have to check these 5 letters. Okay, if the spelling ends with s, double s, sh, ch and x or x. So you have to add es. What you have to add? You have to add es at the end of the spelling. Okay, so I have explained you 2 rules. Rule 1, you have to simply add s at the end of the spelling to make it plural. And rule number 2, that you have to check the end part of the spelling, whether the spelling is ending with any of these letters. Okay, if the spelling is ending with s, double s, sh, ch or x, so we will add es at the end of the spelling. Now I will give you the next example. Rule number 3 we will discuss. Rule 1 was to add s, rule 2 was to add es. Okay, now we will see rule 3. What is rule number 3? Rule number 3 is, if a spelling ends with f or fe, instead of f or fe, we use there ves. Okay, see here, rule 3, if the singular noun ends in f or fe, then the f or fe is removed. Okay, we simply remove the f or fe and ves is added to the noun form of its plural. Now see how to do. For example, life. Here the spelling of life is ending with fe. So we will remove this fe and instead of fe we will write here ves. What we will write here? ves, and life will become lives in plural. Clear? The next example is leaf. 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 Here this spelling is ending with f. This spelling is ending with f. So what we will do to make it plural? We will just remove f and in place place of F we will add VES. Okay, and it will become plural. See here, LEAVES, leaves. Clear? Now we can take one more example like knife. KNIFE, knife. Here again this spelling is ending with FE. So what we will do here? We will just remove FE, okay? And after removing FE, we will add VES. So the spelling will become KNIVES, knives, in plural. We have added here VES. Clear? आपको याद रहेगा किसी भी सिंगुलर नाउन को जब हम प्लूरल बनाते हैं तो सबसे पहले एक सिंपल सा तरीका है कि हम उस स्पेलिंग के एंड में एस ऐड कर देते हैं, ठीक है, और वो प्लूरल हो जाता है। रूल नंबर 2 है कि जब हम किसी सिंगुलर नाउन को प्लूरल करने जाते हैं तो हम उस स्पेलिंग को एंड में चेक करते हैं कि वो स्पेलिंग किस लेटर से एंड हो रहा है, ठीक है। अगर आपका नाउन सिंगुलर नाउन एस, डबल एस, एस एच, सी एच और एक्स के साथ एंड होता है, यानी उस स्पेलिंग के लास्ट में अगर ये वर्ड्स, ये लेटर्स आपको दिखते हैं तो आप लोग क्या करेंगे, उस सिंगुलर नाउन को जब प्लूरल बनाएंगे तो उसमें लास्ट में ES ऐड कर देंगे, ठीक है। क्या करेंगे? ES ऐड करेंगे और आपका जो सिंगुलर नाउन है वो प्लूरल बन जाएगा। ये आपका 2 रूल्स हो गए। और रूल नंबर 3 में क्या होगा कि हम लोग स्पेलिंग को देखेंगे, चेक करेंगे, ठीक है। सबसे पहले हम स्पेलिंग को देखेंगे कि वो स्पेलिंग F या FE से तो एंड नहीं हो रहा है। अगर आपकी स्पेलिंग F या FE से एंड होती है तो आप लोग क्या करेंगे, उस स्पेलिंग में से F और FE, F है तो F को हटाएंगे और अगर FE है तो FE दोनों हट जाएगा और उन दोनों की जगह पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, वहां पे VES को ऐड कर देंगे। जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पे किया था, लाइफ की स्पेलिंग है LIFE, लाइफ, ठीक है। इसमें हमने क्या किया, F और E दोनों को हटा दिया और हमने क्या किया, यहाँ पे F और E की जगह पे VES लिख दिया। तो इसका जो प्लूरल फॉर्म है वो क्या हो गया, LIVES, लाइव। समझ में आ गए? ये तीनों रूल आप लोगों के समझ में आ गए। अब हम लोग देखेंगे रूल नंबर 4। Now children, we will see rule number 4. Rule number 4 is if the spelling ending with Y and before Y there is a consonant, then what to do? See here, it is your rule number 4. The spelling is monkey, MONKEY, monkey. Here the Y is ending with EY. Okay, before Y there is a vowel. What is there? There is a vowel. So what we will do here, we will just simply add S to make it plural. Okay, MONKEYS, monkeys. Clear? Now again I will give you the next example, lady, LADY, lady. Now how to make it plural? We will just add S. No, that is wrong. Here we will write LADIES, ladies. Now tell me children, why I have added only S here and here I have added IES? Because there is a difference between the following letters. See here, this Y is having vowel before it. So here we have added S only. And this Y is having consonant before it. So we have added IES. Okay. आप लोगों को ध्यान में रखना होगा कि कोई भी स्पेलिंग जब Y के साथ एंड होती है तो Y के पहले क्या है, ठीक है। अगर आपके Y के पहले वॉवेल है तो आप लोग सिर्फ एक S लगा के उस स्पेलिंग को प्लूरल कर देंगे, ठीक है। लेकिन अगर आपके Y के पहले यहाँ पे कॉन्सोनेंट है तो आपका Y जो है हट जाएगा, Y को हम रिमूव कर देंगे और Y की जगह पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, IES ऐड करेंगे। क्या ऐड करेंगे, IES। अब देखते हैं हम लोग नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देखते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे देखिए बॉय, BOY, बॉय। अब यहाँ पे क्या है, बॉय के पहले वॉवेल, there is a vowel with before Y. So what we will do here, we will simply add S at the end of the spelling. यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, BOY के साथ S लगा देंगे और ये सिंपली आपका क्या हो जाएगा, बॉयज। लेकिन अगर हमने यहाँ पर स्पेलिंग लिखी थी बेबी, BABY, बेबी, सो व्हाट वी विल डू हियर, यहाँ भी S लगाएंगे, नो दैट इज रॉन्ग। हियर फर्स्ट वी विल सी द Y, द Y इज हैविंग अ कॉन्सोनेंट बिफोर इट, Y के पहले यहाँ पे क्या है, कॉन्सोनेंट है, ये आपका वॉवेल है और ये कॉन्सोनेंट है, ठीक है। इफ योर Y इज हैविंग vowel before it, we will add S at the end, and if your Y is having consonant before it, we will add IES. So here the plural of babies would be BABIES, babies. Okay, अब तक आप लोग क्या करते थे, जो आप लोगों को प्लूरल नहीं समझ में आता तो आप लोग स्पेलिंग को रट लेते हैं, so that is wrong. Okay, उसको रटना नहीं है, आपको लर्न नहीं करना है, आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू फॉलो द रूल्स, आपको ग्रामर के रूल्स देखने हैं, क्योंकि ग्रामर कोई रटने और लर्न करने की चीज नहीं है बेटा, ये एक समझने की चीज है। अगर आपको उसके बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएंगे तो आगे आप लोग किसी भी क्लास में जाएंगे आप उसको इजीली कर सकते हैं। ये सिंगुलर प्लूरल जो है आपको क्लास 10th 12th तक पढ़ना है और सबके बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट यही रहेंगे, यही रूल्स फॉलो होते हैं, सिर्फ स्पेलिंग्स चेंज होती रहती हैं, ठीक है। सो आपको क्या करना है, ये सारे रूल्स ध्यान में रखने होंगे, ठीक है। फर्स्ट रूल हमने आपको क्या बताया था, इफ योर नाउन इज एंडिंग, यू कैन ऐड S टू एनी स्पेलिंग, किसी भी स्पेलिंग के एंड में आप S ऐड कर सकते हैं उसको प्लूरल बनाने के लिए, ठीक है। रूल नंबर 2, you have to check your spelling whether it is ending with S, double S, SH, CH or X. So you have to add ES. अगर आपका स्पेलिंग जो है वो S, double S, SH, CH और X के साथ एंड होता है, so you will add ES to make it plural. Okay. Rule number 3 we have seen here, F and FE. If the spelling is ending with F or FE, we simply remove the F or FE and instead of F or FE we add VES. Okay. अब देखिए यहाँ पे हमने एक स्पेलिंग अभी आपको एग्जांपल दिया था, लाइक से हमने क्या किया, FE को हटा के LIVES हो गया वो, ठीक है, वो आपका क्या हो गया, VES. To make it plural, what we did here, I have removed FE and instead of in place of FE, I have added here VES to make it plural. Okay, it is your rule number 3. Now rule number 4 is that we have to see if your noun is ending with Y. We have to check that Y. हमें उस Y को check करना होगा कि that Y is having a vowel or consonant before it. Okay. If your Y is ending with a vowel, we will simply add S to the spelling and we will make it plural. But if your Y is ending with a consonant, we will just remove Y and in place of Y we will add IES and it will become your plural. Okay, now we will see the next rule, that there are some nouns which are irregular nouns. For that nouns, we just see here what to do for them. There are some irregular nouns, for example, child. These plurals you have to learn because there is no other option. The plural of child will be children. Okay. Mouse, the plural of mouse will be mice. Okay, and children, there are some nouns we change their inner vowels. See here how to do. For example, here man. To make it plural, we will change the inside vowel A. And in place of A, we will use E to make it plural. The plural of man is men. Okay. Woman. Here again we will change this A and we will write here woman. So only one difference is there, that we have to change the inside vowel. We have to change the inside vowel to make it plural. Now children, there are some singular nouns which remain same in plural also. See here what are they? For example, deer will remain deer only in plural also. There is no plural for deer. It is same in singular and plural. Again, sheep. Sheep also remains same in plural. So these are some spellings which remain same. Okay. Now all the rules I have explained. One more rule is left here, that if your spelling is ending with O. For example, potato. Here again we will add es at the end of the spelling. Potato, potato, and potatos, potatoes. Likewise we can make tomato, tomatoes. Okay. Now children, there is one more rule which is exception to this rule. That is, in some spellings we do not use es to make it plural. For example, photo. Here this spelling is also ending with O, but here we will not use es. We will add s only. Photos, that, and it will become plural. Okay. Now see, here we will do some exercises. Very few I will take here, and rest of the exercise I have given in PDF form. Okay, that you have to do book only. Don't write in copy. See here on your in your book, page number 31, exercise A. Write plural form of singular nouns by adding s or es. Now we will see here. Number 1, dish. What is the plural of dish? Dishes. D-I-S-H-E-S, dishes. Why I have added here es? Because the spelling ends with sh. Okay. And number 2 we will see here. In your book number 2 is different, but I am just taking few examples from this exercise. Okay. So don't go through these serial numbers. Okay. I am taking the irregular nouns. See here, book. B-O-O-K, book. To make it plural, what we will use here? S. B-O-O-K-S, books. Okay. The next spelling we will see here, porch. P-O-R-C-H, porch. Now, here this spelling is ending with CH. So, what we will do here? We will add ES. P-O-R-C-H-E-S, porches. Okay. Now again we can take one more example of X. F-O-X, fox. Again this spelling is ending with X. So we will write here F-O-X-E-S, foxes. Okay. Now we will see exercise B. You can do very easily. Some options are given here, so you can do. Now we will see exercise C. In your book, page number 32, exercise C is given here for F and FE. Pick the correct plural noun for each. You have to choose from this. Okay. You have to choose from this and you have to write in front of the correct singular. See here, number 1 is given here is thief. T-H-I-E-F. Thief. And exercise C, here I have taken number 1 spelling T-H-I-E-F, thief. And to make it plural, what we will do? We will remove F, and in place of F, we will write V-E-S. So, T-H-I-E-F, thief, and the plural of thief is thieves. T-H-I-E-V-E-S, thieves. Okay. The next spelling in your book is number 2, half. H-A-L-F, half. Now again, we will remove this F. We will remove this F, and in place of this F, we will add V-E-S. So, the half will become halves. H-A-L-V-E-S, halves in plural. Okay. Now, like this, you can do all 12 spellings. Now, children, we will see exercise D. What is given in your exercise D? Here, there are some irregular nouns. Exercise D. See here, tooth. T-O-O-T-H, tooth. The plural of tooth is teeth. Okay. And And some more spellings are given here like mouse, mice, that I have given in my example. Child, children, man, men, like this you can do. Now we will see the last exercise E. Here what is given? Change the singular noun to plural and each plural to singular. In this exercise we have to do both the things. If your noun is in singular form, you have to write in plural form, and if your noun is in plural form, you have to write in singular form. अगर इस एक्सरसाइज में अगर आपका नाउन सिंगुलर में दिया हुआ है तो आपको उसको प्लूरल करके लिखना है, ठीक है। और अगर आपका नाउन प्लूरल नाउन दिया हुआ है तो आपको उसको सिंगुलर में लिखना है। देखिए यहाँ पे नंबर 1 एलिफेंट्स, ELEPHANTES, एलिफेंट्स। नाउ इट इज प्लूरल, so your answer will be elephant, ELEPHANT, elephant. Okay. Number 2 is kiss, KISS, kiss. It is singular. So and see here there are double S. So what we will do here? We will make it plural, kisses, KISSES, kisses. हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया? क्योंकि यहाँ पे एंड में डबल एस लिखा हुआ था एंड एस पर आवर रूल, जो हमारा रूल नंबर 2 है कि रूल नंबर 2 में अगर आपकी स्पेलिंग एस डबल एस एस एच सी एच और एक्स के साथ एंड होती है तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं उस स्पेलिंग के एंड में ई एस लगा देते हैं, ठीक है। तो ये जो आपका स्पेलिंग है KISS किस, ये एंड में डबल एस इसके साथ है तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे इसके एंड में यहाँ पे ई एस लगा देंगे, ठीक है। नाउ वी विल सी नंबर 3 थियरीज, THEORIES, इट इज प्लूरल फॉर्म। थियरीज जो है ये क्या है, ये प्लूरल फॉर्म है, ठीक है। सो व्हाट वी विल डू हियर, वी विल रिमूव दिस IES। हम लोग इस IES को हटा के क्या करेंगे, इसको सिंगुलर फॉर्म में लिख देंगे। तो यहाँ पे आपका ये हो जाएगा THEORY, थियरी। Okay children, now this lesson is over. Okay, I have sent you PDF. You have to do all the exercise in your book only. Don't do it in your notebook. And one more thing, I have sent 2 pages English writing book, page number 3 and page number 4. These 2 pages you have to do in your writing book with neat and clean handwriting so that you can improve your writing. Okay, thank you.